Hello students, welcome back. This is teacher Mitali here again. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Children, I hope you have watched the previous videos of the first chapter. Now we will continue learning and enjoy this online learning process. Today we will start with our next chapter in maths for class 4, that is addition. Children, before I start with the topic, I will like to tell you the different words which can be used for addition. Addition also means add, plus, sum, altogether and more. I repeat, addition also means add, plus, sum, altogether and more. These are the words which you can use for addition. Now can you see this sign over here, children? This is the plus sign. So this is the sign for addition. Now whenever you see this sum sign in the sums, you know that you have to add those numbers. So let us begin. Now children, you have learned addition right from your lower classes, right? Probably in the lower classes you have added it this way. I have 2 beads. My mother gives me 1 more bead. So how do I add it? 2 in mine plus 1, that is 3, right? Now this same basic concept we will use for large 4-digit numbers. Now let us see how we are going to do it. So let's add. We will take the first example. I have 2 numbers here. Now, when you want to add any given numbers, our first step is to write the numbers one below the other. So I will write the first number now. Ones place, tens place, hundreds and thousands. Now write the next number below the first number. Be careful, children, and write the digits in the particular place values. So this also has 4 digits. So what we'll do? 2, 1, 2, 1. Put a plus sign and then you add. Now you know how to add the numbers, right? 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. 2 plus 2 more is how much? 4. 1 plus 1, 2, that's right. And 4 plus 2, 5 and 6. So you have 6. So what is the answer? 6, 2, 4, 6. Let's take the next example. I have 2 numbers here again. Now first let us write the first number. Now this is in the ones place, tens place, hundreds and thousands. Now write the next number below this number. Now children, when you are writing this number, be careful because this number has got 3 digits. So you see that you write the digits in the respective places. So here it's 4, 2 and 3. Put a plus sign and then you can add. Now 5 plus 4 is how much? 9, correct? 2 plus 2 you all know is how much? 4, right? 1 plus 3 is 4 again. Now here there is no digit. So what you assume it to be? 0. No need of writing the 0, but you assume that it is 0. And then 5 plus 0 is how much? 5. So what is the answer? 5, 4, 4, 9. Am I correct? Please check it, children. Now see the third example. Children, here I have taken 3 numbers which you got to add. The first number is 4222 plus 3042 plus 424. Now let us add these numbers. Now whenever you are given any amount of numbers, you can add them by putting them one below the other. So let's start with the first number, 4222, right? Below this is in the ones place, tens place, hundreds and thousands. The next number will go below it, right? Both are 4-digit numbers, so there is no problem writing. Now, again when you are writing the third number, it is a 3-digit number. So, you take care and put the digits in the proper places. So, what will happen here? 2, 4, right? Put a plus sign and add. Now, 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. 4 plus 4, 8, right? Now, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8 again. Now, 2 plus 0 is 2. Again, plus 4 is how much? 6, right? Now, 4 plus 3 is how much? 5, 6, 7. Now, assume there is a 0 here. You don't have to write the 0. But 4 plus 3, you will directly write as 7. So, what is the answer? 7, 6, 8, 8. Children, all the sums which you have seen before, they are without any carryover. Now we will see addition when we have carryover. So addition with carry over. Now what does this mean? We will see with the help of examples. So let me take the first sum, 6129 plus 2123, right? Now, as before, write the numbers one below the other. 6129, here this is in the ones place, tens place, hundreds and thousand, right? Now, write the next number below this number, 2123. Now, put a plus sign and add. Now, look here children, 9 plus 3 is how much? 10, 11, 12. So, I cannot write this 12 here. This 1 is in the tens place and this 2 is in the ones place. So, what will I do? I will write this 2 which is in the ones place here and this 1 which is in the tens place. I cannot write here. So, I will carry it over to the tens place. Understood? Now, add the tens place. 2 plus 2 is how much? 4 plus we have this 1 here. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Now 1 plus 1 is how much? 2, right? And 6 plus 2 is how much? 8. So this is the answer. Now we will see the second example where we have 3 numbers. Let us take 4165 plus 2165 plus 425. Now again children, write all the numbers one below the other. Let's write the first number. It's in the ones place, tens place, hundreds and thousand. Now write the next number below it. Now again, be careful when you are writing the third number because it has only 3 digits. So 4, 2, 5. Put a plus sign and add. Now 5 plus 5 is how much? 10. Yes, correct. 10 plus 5, 15. So, as I have told you, we cannot write 15 here because 5 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. So, I will write 5 here. And what will I do with this 1? Yes, correct. I will carry it over to the tens place. Now, please add these numbers. 6 plus 6 is how much? 12. 13, 14. But remember, we have one more 1 here. So, it will become 15. So, again, can I write 15 here? It becomes 15 tens. So, what I will do is, I will write this 5 here and this 1 I will carry to the next 100 place. Okay. Now, add these numbers again. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. And one more 1 here you have which we have carried over, that is 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 4 plus 2 is how much? 5, 6. So this answer will be 6, 5, 6, 7, 5, 5. What is the answer? 6, 7, 5, 5. Now that you know how to add the given numbers, we will see some properties of addition. So properties of addition, right? Now, the first property is the order property. Now, this property states that the sum of two numbers remains the same even if the order in which they are added is changed. I repeat, the sum of two numbers remains the same even if the order in which they are added is changed. To explain this, I'll give you one example. There is a boy named Raju and it is his birthday today. So, for birthdays we all get gifts, right? So, Raju's father gave him rupees 1000 as a birthday gift and his mother gave him rupees 2000 as a birthday gift. Now, if you want to find out how much money Raju has collected for his birthday, what will you do, children? Yes, that's correct. You're going to add this money. Now, we will see how to do it. I will add money given by father plus the money given by mother. So, how much will I get? 1000 plus 2000, I will get rupees 3000. Now, we will add the other way round. Money given by the mother plus money given by father. How much will it total to? Rupees 3000. Right? Now, in both the cases, you will see that Raju has how much money? Raju has rupees 3000. Right? Now, this example clearly explains to you the property of order. Whether I add 1000 plus 2000 or I add 2000 plus 1000, the answer does not change. The sum does not change. So, I can write this as 1000 plus 2000 is the same as 2000 plus 1000. Have you understood? Now we will see the next property of addition, that is the grouping property. Grouping property of addition, right? Now, what does this property say? When more than two numbers are added, they can be grouped in any way. The sum remains the same. I repeat, when two or more numbers are added, they can be grouped in any way. The sum remains the same. To explain this grouping property, we have one more example. We have the same boy Raju and it is his birthday today. But this time there is a small change. Raju has already with him rupees 500. Say he has saved rupees 500 and he already has rupees 500. Now his father gives him rupees 1000 for his birthday and mother again gives him rupees 2000 for his birthday. Now, if you want to find out how much money Raju has collected, you will definitely and surely tell me that you are going to add these three numbers. Now, since there are three numbers, you can group any two numbers first and then add their total to the third number. Now we'll see how we can do it. I can either group 1000 plus 2000 and then to this total I can add the money that Raju had, or I can add 1000 plus 500 and to this total I can add the money which the mother gave, or I can add 2000 plus 500 and then add the money which father gave. Now, in all the three cases, you will see that the answer remains the same. It is 3000 plus 500, that is 3500, right? 1500 plus 2000 is 3500, right? And 2500 plus 1000 is 3500 again. So, in all the three cases again, you will see that Raju has collected how much money? 3500. So however I group the numbers, the answer does not change. This explains the grouping property. Now we'll see the third property of addition, that is the zero property. Okay, now this property states that when 0 is added to a number or a number is added to 0, the answer is the number itself. I repeat, when 0 is added to number or a number is added to 0, the answer is the number itself. For this, we will take the example of some school buses. Now see here, all of you go to school by bus, isn't it? Now, this bus is at bus stop 1 and this is the bus stop 2. Okay, now at the bus stop 1, you can see there are no children in the bus. So how many children are there in the bus? 0. Now the same bus moves to the bus stop 2, and what happens here? 50 children get inside the bus. 50 children get inside the bus. Now, if you want to find the total number of children in this bus, what will you do? You will add 0 as initially there were no children plus the 50 children who have got in, and 0 plus 50 is the same number, that is 50. Got it? Now we will see the other case. At bus stop 1, in this bus there were how many children? 50 children already sitting in the bus. Okay, now this bus moves to bus stop 2. At this stop, no children get out or neither any child comes in. No child gets out of the bus, neither any child gets in. So what happens here? 0. The number remains the same in the bus. So now again, if you want to find how many children are there in this bus, what will I do? There were 50 children initially plus 0 because no one has gone out, neither they have come in. So what is the answer I will get? 50. So if 0 is added to a number or a number is added to 0, the answer is the number itself, and this explains the zero property. Now that you have seen all the three properties of addition, we will solve some examples related to this property. Now you are given the question, fill in the blanks, and I have some questions written here. Now look at the first example, children. In the first example, you will apply the grouping property, right? Now I have grouped 500 and 600 on the left hand side, and to the total I have added 400. So on my right hand side now, what do I have? I have grouped 500 and 400. So I have to write here the third number, that is 600. Is it clear? Now go to the next example. 5500 plus 0 is the same as 0 plus, yes, say it, yes, you are correct, 5500. Now focus on this, 0 plus 5500. What is the zero property, children? Which number you will write here? Yes, you are correct, 5500. Right? Now go to the third example. The third example, you will see the order property. 225 plus 325 is the same as 325 plus 225. Yes, correct. Children, I have told you that whatever concepts you learn in maths, you always have to apply in your day-to-day life. Now we will see how to apply the concept of addition by using some word problems in our day-to-day life. So we will see some word problems now. Now take the first example. My father brought a refrigerator which cost him rupees 7525. Okay, and my father also brought a TV or a television set which cost him rupees 8,880. Okay, now you are told to find how much money did my father spend in all. How much money did my father spend in all? Now, if you read this question properly, you will find the word here in all. Now, in all means what you will do, children? You will definitely add. So, let us solve. Now, first we have to write the statements for the word problems. Cost of television set is how much? How much is the cost? Rupees 8,880, right? Now, cost of the refrigerator is how much? How much it is? 7,525. So now, to find the total cost, how much he has spent in all, what will I do here? I will have to add the numbers. So what will I get? 5 plus 0 is how much? 5. 5 plus 0 is how much? 5, right? 8 plus 2 is how much? 10. So what will I do? 0 here, 1 here, right? 5 plus 8 is how much? How much is 5 plus 8? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Plus 1, 14, correct? Now, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So, the total money spent is how much? Total money spent is rupees 16,405. Children, please check your answers. Now take the second example. Say in a library there are 5,420 English books. Okay, 6,525 story books and 3,500 Hindi books, right? Now you are told to find the total number of books in the library. Find the total number of books in the library. Total number of books in the library. Now, again, look at this word total number. When you have the total number, that means you are going to add. Clear? Now, let us frame the word statements. Okay? Now, number of English books. How many are there? 5,420. Number of story books. How many story books are there? Can you tell me? 6,525. Correct? And number of Hindi books. How many Hindi books are there, children? Read the number. Read the number. 3,500. So what will you do to find the total number of books? So total number of books will be What will you do? You will add all the three numbers. You will add all the three numbers. Now add up quickly. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 4, how much? 14. So 1 goes up here. So 6 plus 1, 7. Plus 5 is how much? 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So, how many total books are there in the library? 15,445. Now, This concept of addition is clear to you. Children, I request you to please go through the concept again and see you soon for the next session. Till then, take care of yourself, be safe and be healthy. Thank you.